Okay, so example number 2, t minus 15 equals 45. What is the unknown? T. How am I going to get the t to be alone so it can call Mr.? How do I do that? Hands, how do I do that? Eric, nice and loud. How do I get the 15 down? It says minus 15. I'm going to add 15. I'm going to use the inverse operation on both sides. So what I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other side of the equation. Okay? I'm going to make sure I separate both sides of the equation. So if I take $15 from you and then I give you back $15, it's like I owe you nothing. It cancels each other out. So now who do we have by itself? The t, so that's just what we want, the unknown alone. And now let's see what we get. 45 plus 15, 5 plus 5. Keep the 0, bump the 1. 4 plus 1 is 6. T equals 60. Now we need to do our check. When we do our check, we start by writing the original algebraic equation, which is t minus 15 equals 45. Okay, so we figured out that t equals 60, so we're going to plug that in to where the t is. So I'm going to put the 60 right underneath the t, and then I'm going to copy the rest of the problem just the way it is. Subtract 15 equals 45. I now need to put my work arrow, because I can't do that in my head, I need to do it on the side. So 60 subtract 15 equals, let's solve that. 0 subtract 5 I can't do. Scratch the 6, make it a 5. Pull one to my side. 10 subtract 5 is 5. 5 subtract 1 is 4. So I get 45 down here. And I copy the rest of what's left. I get 45 equals 45. And I believe that is true. So my answer, t equals 60, is correct.